Hi guys, it's Marianne with Little Country Kitchen, and I am going to be making rollaway egg collectors with this and this. So let's get going. I'm sick of picking up eggs that have poopies on them, so we're gonna fix this.
As you can see, I had a malfunction, but little me did I realize I was doing it wrong, so I asked my husband for his advice and he helped me figure it out. After I did it this way first, of course, because, you know, I'm stubborn and independent like that. I didn't poke through the barrier using the pokey thing, and that is why it exploded out the back end. Good to know. Lesson learned. I put some canning jars so it would weigh them down and it would keep it there. I won't be able to cord, it's too windy, but this is what it looks like before. I'm gonna fix these to put in the rolling ones up there. I'm gonna put a hole right here too, because they're still laying eggs under there, so I'll show you the after in a minute. And this is the after. I have a little door right here that I can open up to get the eggs if they lay them underneath. I'm gonna block that inside eventually. That's the next project, but I don't want to do too much to scare them off, but because this is what happens when they get stressed out.
How wrinkly it is. Beauty in the imperfection. Let's see.
So I took out the top ones, put in these ones so I can get the eggs. I gave them some treats over there, so they'll eventually find this, hopefully. And so we can gather the eggs much easier. And hopefully they won't be all poopy. And if not, I can just take this out and just hose it off. So that's the plan. Hopefully this works. It has been working so far. It was a learning curve for the first few days, but now they've gotten used to it. Unfortunately, they've been laying eggs underneath their coop now, so I don't know how to stop that. If you have any tips, let me know. Put it in the comments. Let me know where you live. Happy egg hunting. Bye.